taking, just be. Don't take it. Taking, just don't be. And live.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be super quick. I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys what I've been doing to maintain my mini twist at night. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Starting out, you're just going to need like a few bands. And this method is basically going to stretch your twist. The reason I started doing this is because sleeping with my bonnet, I would wake up and they would kind of be like going every which way. So this just kind of keeps them intact and going in the same direction. That's all I really care about. So yeah, I'm just going to take the twist. And these have been in my hair for a week now. And I don't re-moisturize or anything or add water because I don't really feel it's necessary because my hair was very moisturized when I put them in. I'm just going to take one of these. The more sections you do, the more stretched out it'll be. So if you wanted to do 2 or 4, it's really just up to you. I'm just kind of gonna band it like a ponytail. I'm just gonna wrap it around twice because I don't like a lot of tension on my head because I can get a headache. Then I'm gonna take another one and just wrap it twice. When I get towards the end, I'll wrap them a couple more times. And boom, that is literally it. And what this is going to do is give you a little bit of stretch, and then also just keep your twist, like I said, going in the same direction. Then I just simply put on my bonnet. I'm gonna come back in the morning and show you guys how it looks when I take it down, and then I'm also gonna try to like refresh my edges for the first time since I've installed them, and I'm just gonna share that with you guys to see how it comes out. So yeah, stay tuned. Good morning everybody, it is a new day and I'm just going to show you guys how my hair looks when I take it down, and then I'm going to attempt to just like sleek my edges just a little bit. I don't know how to do edges at all. I never do my edges, but I just want to see how it looks with this style. I just pinned up my ponytail with this little clip. Oh, I should probably leave that up. Okay, we're gonna do the edges first. So all you're gonna need, I'm gonna attempt to use like some mousse to like get them a little wet, and then I'm using just this basic edge control, and then I have like a little scarf to lay it down. So yeah, I don't know, let's just see how this turns out. Okay, a little bit of the mousse. Or should I have used gel to get it wet? I don't know. We'll see, we'll see. Oh, I forgot the little edge brush. 1 second. Okay, I forgot these. I need these, don't I? Oh my goodness. Okay. So my edges are like a little bit wet. I'm gonna try some gel. is downstairs. Okay. I'm finally prepared. This is the last thing I'm going to try. I'm going to try this out. Oh my goodness. I think I'm still sleepy. But okay. Dang, the mousse dried already. Gotta be quicker than that. So I got some wet lime. And I am just going to try to like put it on here and go downwards, okay? Look, this is not a tutorial. I'm just showing you what I'm doing, and we just gonna see how it turns out. If I don't like it, I don't know. I'll just wipe it out. Edges. Smack it on there. Boop, 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 boop. I look so raggedy. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's the gel. So let's see if I can do any type of swoopity swoop. Okay, so we're gonna start here and just, I don't need nothing serious. I just wanna, you know, get some little something, little fancy today. Whoop! Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Too much hair. Put that back. Ooh. Okay. That's a little something. And then this one, I'm just gonna try to swerve it and curve it. Right. Oh my Lord. Okay. Oh no. It's not the best, but it's something. Okay, so now I'm gonna go on top of it to like make it, because my hair is just gonna curl up with this. So we are just gonna put this on top. See how that works out for me? So I'm just gonna put this all over these little parts to make them stay. And hopefully when I put the scarf on, it just blends in. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so now we're gonna try to use like the comb part. Okay. I wanna do that thing where people just like, you know, swerve it in there. That's what I want. Ooh. Can you see me? Whoop. Oh my gosh. Should probably bring that over just a little bit. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. How do people do this? Does that look okay? Did I even put any over here? Oh my gosh. All right. That's the best I can do. All right. Hopefully, we're going to put this on and it's going to look marvelous when we take it down. High hopes, high hopes. I'm going to leave it on here for like 15 minutes. I got to go. Okay, we're just gonna smack it on there. Oh no. That part is left out. Okay. All right. Now we're just gonna wait a few minutes and then I'm gonna come back, show you guys how it turns out, and then also how my twists fall. So yeah.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have
Okay, so this is the final look. I actually like it.
make them feel good before we leave town? 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it.